let's touch on that. The egoistic discipline, or whatever you want to call it. I mean, we've spoken about it a lot in the past, and I think other people have, that flair bartending is this sort of egoistic thing, right? Is one of the reasons why I personally stopped myself, because of, you constantly feel like you're competing to see who's the well, you're competing to see who's the best between you and your friends. Okay, you're not competing to see who's the best personally, but in the competition.
Exactly.
But it overlaps sometimes, and things can get taken out of hand. But what do you think of today's flair bartenders and how they are with their ego and the way they behave?
I don't know. I think at the moment what is happening, it did happen in a lot of other sports like free running, free running, skateboarding, a lot of this kind of really hard games or really hard tricks. But people start posting a lot that even if they, let's say they recorded a million times to land that move, but that another people when you first see this move, you're like, oh shit, this is possible already, and they've been doing this.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I need to get my game on and trying to beat that without, not beat that, but I mean, it's evolving a lot more through social media and
Yeah.
these kind of things. But still, I guess coming back to ego and respect a little bit, it's a few things. It's a few things, as maybe me, because I started and I was breakdancing when I was young, and that culture, it's all about respecting the other person's
Yeah.
style and movement, and try to get inspired from them, but not take their stuff, because
I think, sorry to interrupt very quickly, I think Nicholas had a very similar view, or has a very similar view.
yeah, we kind of share a little bit the same kind of concepts, I guess.
Sorry, so, yeah, go on, and you were saying that it says it's about inspiring others, but not taking
you will get to the moment that what was original and really creative 4 years ago will get to a point that is basics today, kind
Sure.
of. So